Today, I'm going to be introducing this acrylic magnetic calendar set by Homyaco. Here we go. Let's check out everything that comes in the box. Here's the weekly plan and monthly plan acrylic magnetic calendars. Each of these has a protective film to be removed prior to use. These calendars are crystal clear. Let's check out the accessories. Want to install any of these calendars on a surface that's not magnetic? No problem. Go ahead and use these nail-free wall stickers and put this piece right through here, and then you can stick this anywhere. Now these calendars can be posted on any surface. All the supplies that you need for this board are included right here. We first have a 6-pack of dry erase markers, and then there's a magnetic holder for the markers to store them directly on the fridge. This hook is great for hanging the cleaning cloth right next to the acrylic magnetic board. This cloth is perfect for dry erasing the marker ink, but if the marker is harder to erase, simply spray some water before cleaning. Last but not least is a set of installation instructions and guidelines for using the boards. All the marker colors show up so well on this acrylic magnetic calendar. The magnets are very strong. The board wipes easily and cleanly. This board looks awesome. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.